this is Grey Street level crossing in Claudelands in Hamilton. So this level crossing used to have 2 Griswold mechanical bells. Up until around August, September time this year, and they were replaced with Safetran Type 3 e-bells. We have 2 McKenzie and Holland barrier mechanisms, and we have 2 sets of Griswold signal co-lights retrofitted to LEDs, and 4 Montrose of Penrose LED lights. So yeah, if that's said and done, all we have to do now is just wait for the train.